Rock and Gay, congratulations! Sana galingan nyo para makabuo kayo. Bilis-bilisan nyo.
Hi, Kuya Rock! Hi, Ate Gay! Congratulations po!
Rock, Gay, congratulations. Yes, congratulations. Kahit pagbalik-balik ka rin yung Rock, Gay, Gay Rock, bagay na bagay talaga kayo. Swak na swak kayo sa isa't isa. Gay Rock, you're the best.
Gay Rock.
Gay Rocks! Diba?
Rock and Gay, congratulations and best wishes. Sana magkaroon kayo ng isang dosen ng anak. Bait nyo ako sa kasal nyo.
Hi Rock, congratulations. I heard you're getting married. I wish you the best. God bless you, and for all the forthcomings coming your way. I wish you a healthy and beautiful life and a marriage, and sana you have the kids soon, and I bless them as well. Good luck.
Hello, Rock and Gay! Best wishes to the both of you. Sana ma-bless kayo ni Lord ng maraming babies at very happy family. Congratulations!
Congratulations to you, Rock and Gay. Sana kayo ay tumagal pa ng bonggang-bongga at dumami ang mga lahi ninyo at magsama ng matiwasay, masaya at malusog ang buong pamilya. Congratulations!
Hello, Rock and Gay! Congratulations! Best wishes sa inyong dalawa. Sana ipapatuloy niyo lang yung pagmamahalan niyo sa isa't isa. I hope that you guys are beautiful kids. Congratulations!
Hi, Gay and Rock. Congratulations. May you have a happy married life and may God continue to be the center of your relationship. More power and God bless.
Rock and Gay, congratulations sa inyong bagong wedding. More power to you at sana'y bless kayo ng Diyos sa inyong pagbubuklod na yan at sana'y magsama kayo ng habang buhay talaga. Kaya God bless you. Congratulations.
Rocky and Gay, nandito na ako. Nasa lobby na ako ng Hollywood Resort. At, well, inaantay ko sana kayo dahil sinabi niyo mag-iwan na kayo ng word dun sa manager man lang o sa front desk na bigyan kami ng accommodations. Kasama ko ngayon si Luis, si Adi, si Enzo. Katulad nga, hindi pa kumakain yung mga bata eh. May konting problema, kasi hindi namin akalain na magiging ganun kamahal pala yung pamasahe. Medyo short ako ngayon and hindi kami makakuha ng kwarto. Pero naalala ko kasi, Rocky Gay, sinabi niyo, sagot niyo yung accommodations. May nakausap ako dito, nagsasabi siya raw yung manager, si Mr. Mark Hille. At sabi nung Mark na kahit kayo ang may-ari, wala raw siyang pakialam. At siya ang nasusunod. Ang problema, wala nang alis na Roro. So paano na kami? Kahit paano siguro, may pangalan ako, tsaka yung alam ko si Luis. And ang pari kung doon kami matutulog sa pier. Sana man lang kahit sa staff housing na lang kami. Pero sagutin nyo na rin yung kinakain ng mga bata. Cropek lang naman tsaka kanin, tsaka konting sukat. So, Rocky Gay, nagpunta ako rito para maging bahagi ng inyong selebrasyon. Ayaw ko sanang mauwi ito sa wala. So, sa kanan po ng aming pamilya, congratulations, Rocky and Gay, and may you have the best that life has to offer.
Rock and Gay! Congratulations. So, I guess you guys are rocking and you guys are happy and gay. You guys made it. So, hope to see you guys next time. I don't know when. By this time, maybe you guys are celebrating, having dinner, but I'm not invited. Sayang. But anyway, next time, okay? Pag nag-first year anniversary kayo or when it's your birthdays, let me know. Congratulations. Have lots of kids.
Hello, Gay. Mark told me that you guys are getting married, you and Rock. Oh, that's great. Well, you know, instead of just saying congratulations and all, I just want to really wish you all the best. It's a relationship that is going to be quite a journey, and as long as you remember that you make a vow, not just between yourselves, but between you, God being the center of it all, I am positive and I'm certain that regardless of what may come your way, with God in it, then really it becomes a solid foundation, it becomes a solid relationship. God bless you. Sana nga I could have gone and just, you know, maybe I did a song or two, but Sunday is a little heavy for me. But Mark said you like the music, and I hope that you use the music as part of your wedding, you know, in any way that it can inspire the both of you. So again, congratulations. God bless you both, and may you have a wonderful and sweet union.
Rock and Gay, I heard you're getting married, so congratulations, and I wish you both all the best.
Hi, Rock and Gay. Congratulations. And I pray and hope that you guys will have a happy, blessed life. Of course, always put God at the center of your relationship, and everything will turn out well. Congratulations again. God bless.
Rocky, Gay, have you thought about it? Well, I guess by now that you're watching this video, you would have been married for at least a couple of hours. Ah, man. Sayang. Rocky, Gay, congratulations. I hope, well, I'm sure you enjoyed and you're still continuing to enjoy your day. But I do hope that nagawa nyo yung inyong araw the way you want it. And congratulations to you, Gay, and good luck to you, Rock.
Rock and Gay, congratulations. And, well, ano pa pwede namin sabihin, kundi simulan ninyo na ang pagpaparami ng inyong mga supling. At, mag-usap ng maayos kung may mga bagay-bagay para namang matagal na kaming kasal. Matagal na kaming kasal, 4 months. Hindi, sana magsama kayo na matagal. Always pray and basta rock and roll lang lagi. Walang hindi nadadaan sa magandang rock and roll na relasyon.
But seriously, Rock, if you see this before your wedding, it's never too late to think about it.